Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we'll have another Bluetooth speaker. This time, it's the OontZ Angle 3 4th Gen. By the way, I believe I'm one of the first now, if not the first, YouTuber here in the Philippines to do a video on the OontZ Angle 3 4th generation. The OontZ Angle 3 4th Gen, I managed to buy it again in Lazada. I actually already clicked this a long time ago, but I'm still was waiting for a budget, and the budget came, and so I was going to buy it. Then suddenly it was out of stock. Then after a week or two, prior to 9/9 in Lazada, they managed to have new stock. So I managed to buy this at around 1,000, almost 1,400, including delivery. So there was no discount. There was no promo on the delivery, even if it was 9/9. Okay, so FYI, Lazada, they didn't join the promo. The packaging is very simple, and it's not that thick. Okay, FYI, OontZ Angle 3 is one of the best-selling mini Bluetooth speaker in Amazon. Okay, so I was intrigued by this. Other YouTubers have done some review and unboxing about this, but what they had before was the OontZ Angle 3 3rd generation. So what we have is the 4th generation. Okay, so again, the packaging is nice, but not the best considering the price tag. So let's try to open this. Okay, so the OontZ is triangular. Again, has an English only user manual, so that's nice, I suppose. And then at the back we have the USB-C. So it has a USB-C cable for the charging. Okay, so let's put that down, and let's open this product. Where's the front? Where's the back? I don't know. Okay, so this is the front. Okay, let's put the plastic over there. So first impressions. Okay, it has silicone rubber on the sides and the front, the back. The front is metallic grill. The back is ABS plastic. The bottom, where the radiator, I presume, is located, has some mesh exhaust on the bottom design, triangular as well, to coincide with the branding, the 3 angles. Okay, so I have a mini dent. Okay, it's obvious. Okay, so that's what Topacio is trying to tell me before. That's why he doesn't like metallic mesh. There's a tendency to bend, so I got a slightly bend front speaker grill. Okay, so this one, obviously, if you could see, it's being lit by the light, by my ring light. You could see there's two speakers. Okay, so these are two 5-watt speakers. Okay, so this is the control panel. It's very dusty. Okay, so there's Bluetooth. You could pair it using TWS, and then you got the plus minus plus, skip files, volume, and then the play pause button in the middle. It's really dusty. Okay, at the back is the power button. and there's a flap here. There's a waterproof flap, so you could see the charging port for the USB-C charging port and the auxiliary port for the 3.5 auxiliary jack, which is good because I always want to have Bluetooth speakers with aux, just in case the Bluetooth signal dies or suddenly it gets malfunction or damage inside. Okay, so having an aux is always good. So the the charging port is type C, so that's also good. So let's see and try to turn this on. So there is no voice prompt, there's only a light, so it's like ninja. Doesn't tell you that it's on except for the light, for the blue light. Okay, so automatically it also turns on the Bluetooth signal. Spare it. So there's a minor sound effect for the Bluetooth pairing. So we're good to go. OontZ Angle 3DS 17B. Okay. Uh-huh. So let's try to play some music. Okay, that was the initial unboxing. and testing for the OontZ Angle 3 4th generation. Yes, only here in UpStreamCharlie. So, tayo ang unang mag-review ng OontZ Angle 3 4th Gen. Okay, ito na ang pinakamahal na binili ko dito sa UpStreamCharlie with regards to Bluetooth speaker. Okay, dahil na-intrigue ako dun sa sinasabi ng marami sa Amazon, pati yung mga Amerikanong YouTuber, pati yung mga naunang Pilipino YouTuber, sabi nila maganda daw. Okay, but I need to review this further. This is just first impression. So my first impression is so far it's quality. The build is also good. It's very clean, very professional, and kaaya-aya sa mata, no? Very attractive. Tapos yung kanyang sound, okay naman so far. Okay, but I believe there are some contenders for this brand na OontZ. Okay. So, malakas naman yung speaker. So, ayos naman. Ang ayaw ko lang, yung packaging nila, napakanipis. At bibili ka ng 1,300, 1,400 na speaker, gandahan mo naman yung packaging. Di ba? Gumastos ako ng marami eh. O kaya, siguro yung the seller of the OontZ Angle 3 here is overpricing. We will see. Okay. So far, wala naman na nakitang clone ng OontZ sa Lazada. Wala naman siyang kamuka so far. Okay. So, good for OontZ. Ibig sabihin, they have secured their identity in the Bluetooth speaker market segment. Okay. Kasi meron ako nakikita dyan. Ang ganda din, pero yung body kamukha rin ng iba. Okay. Pero binago lang nila konti yung specs. Pinalakas nila yung speaker, binabaan nila yung presyo o tinaasan nila yung presyo. Pero yung katawan, pareho ng iba. So, yun lang masasabi ko when it comes to buying Bluetooth speakers. Okay, shout out. By the way, I have some minor announcements. There's guys from earbuds maker from Halo. Okay, from Halo, they contacted me and wanted to do some collaboration. Maybe we'll be doing some two earbuds unboxing. So these are Halo, by the way, is not a cheap brand. So they're positioned as a premium product. So I expect quality sound coming from their Bluetooth earbuds. So shout out to Miss Poppy from Halo. Okay, so watch out for that video. So we will feature that as well. Okay, so without further ado, thank you for watching OontZ Angle 3 4th edition first impression. So again, this is Charlie Jose, and you've watched another UpStreamCharlie video, and see you again next week or see you again on the next video. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!